So now we're going to make one last delicious salad with Cesare, and this is called Panzanella. It's a Tuscan summer bread salad made with onions and tomatoes, basil, olive oil, and seasonings. And it's a hearty salad, ideal for cookouts and for picnics because it tastes better the longer it sits. Isn't that true, Cesare?
Yes, that's true. And in Italy, when I was cooking in the house, this you make it for the summertime especially, and then you can use anchovy or tuna. They give it more flavor.
So the whites of scallions, anchovy, cucumber, yellow tomato, red pepper, yellow pepper, all of these.
Yes, all these. Sometimes when you have a celery too, you can add celery. I like to add the bread toasted because it's the way that you keep it crispy in the end of this type of the salad.
Now, the difference between this panzanella and most other panzanellas is that you add beans.
I add beans plus the toasted bread.
Okay, so cannellini beans.
Cannellini beans, but you can use
Any
beans that you have, any beans that you have. And then I do it in the way to put salt all around, and then the vinegar. And then you want
So red wine vinegar?
Red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil.
Now, will the bread get a little bit soggy now that you've toasted it really well, really hard?
I toast it very well because you want to keep it crispy. After they take the vinegar, they take the juice from the tomato, but you want the paste not mushy.
Okay.
You stir.
It's certainly pretty.
And then we need to add marjoram.
Oh, marjoram, fresh marjoram leaves.
And then we have a basil.
We'll just tear it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it. I love basil so much.
So we add
and it smells
the
so
black pepper.
good, doesn't it?
I like to eat it too. If you make some hard eggs, and then you serve it with the hard eggs cut in four pieces.
Oh, I've never had it with hard-boiled eggs.
And the color, they are beautiful.
Yeah, but look how gorgeous.
Practically this now is ready.
So good.
You can eat it now, but like you can keep it for 2-3 hours for the evening, and the flavor change a little bit. The bread is going to be a little bit more soft, but much more flavor.
Well, it certainly is a pretty salad, and it is extremely tasty. And it's a good way to use up that loaf of bread that you forgot, right? It should be a sort of a country loaf of Italian bread.
And this is what you can do. You can do the croutons, stay in the house for 1 week without no problem. So you can toast the bread to do the salad later on.
Sure, absolutely. How beautiful and how easy. So here's a fork, Cesare. And thank you very much for visiting our cooking school. Your knowledge of beans is extraordinary, and thank you so much. This is a great salad.
Thank you for inviting me. It's my pleasure to be here.
You can come here anytime.